Hey guys, it's Tina. Today we're going to talk about stretching your spine in all 6 directions before you begin any yoga practice. We're going to start with a spinal extension. This is arching the front of your spine and opening your heart. Cow pose is great for this. Spinal flexion is rounding the spine and engaging your core, like cat pose. Next, we're going to get into lateral side bends. We're going to go up and over to the left first. This lengthens your side body, creating rib cage mobility and strengthening the muscles between the ribs and part of the pelvis and lower back. We're going to go ahead and go up and over to the right now. Now for the last of it, we're going to twist in both directions to complete the set. We're going to twist to the left first. Lengthen on the inhale and gently twisting deeper on the exhale. We're going to twist to the right now, lengthening on the inhale and gently twisting deeper on the exhale. Now that our spine is warmed up in all 6 directions, let's flow. Thank you so much for warming up with me. I hope you have an amazing day. Namaste.